Hi guys, my name is Tabitha and I'm with Elegantly Styled Events. I can also be found on Instagram. Today I'm coming to you guys with a video to show you how I constructed a doorway entry piece for outside, and I did it themed for Halloween, of course. So if you would like to see how I constructed this piece, stay tuned. So now I'm going to show you how to construct this design by putting on the balloons. I'm just using simple fashion black, and I'm using some marble balloons that I ordered from off of Amazon, and I do not like them. They're not a great quality of balloons at all, but they still look good enough for the design. But I would not order them again because I ordered 11-inch and they came advertised as 11-inch, but they only inflated to about 8 inches, and that was me stretching it. I blew them up and then deflated them and then inflated them again so that I can get some type of stretch. And like I said, the 8 inches that I did get was a stretch. So not even worth mentioning. I will not be ordering them again, but they did what they needed to do for again. I just took 2 duplets and I'm just going to go around the pole with one and then go the opposite direction with the other and then push. And then that's how I start off the design with the corner piece. And then I'm gonna take another set of black, do the same thing, and then push, making sure that they lock into each other. And then to ensure the security, you want to just take one and then you can twist it to make sure that it locks. The third quad, I'll take black and then the marble. I want the marble to be in the front, and then I will do that in the back. And then again, just give it a push. Okay guys, so right now I'm on the floor because I'm going to show you guys how to wrap the legs and the base of your design. And I'm going to be using black 5-inch balloons, and these balloons are from Simpertex. So they're the fashion black, and then I'm also going to be using the fashion black 260. And then the orbs I have are from Nightmare Before Christmas. So I hope you guys can see that good. So to blow up the modeling balloons, which are the 260s, I'm going to be using my Legenda. This is my favorite balloon pump for these. They are awesome. And being that I don't have that much to cover, I don't need to fully inflate the balloon. And I think I need to blow up 4 to cover. Blow it up, let out some of the air so you have a good neck to tie it. 1 tie will be good enough. And this will be number 4. I don't think I had it covered all the way. It wasn't blown up fast. And then with the 5-inch round latex, you can either use your Legenda or your hand pump for this. Doesn't matter. And just blow it up. Give it a little twist so no air will escape while you blow up the other one. And then I'm not going to use my sizer because I don't really need to do precision sizing with this. Not necessary at all. But just make sure that all 4 of the ones that you are blowing up are the same size by just eyeballing it. Made 2 duplets. Want to wrap them twice and make your quad. And then you can either make 2 sets of quads and make one bigger and one smaller, but for this I'm really just going to do 1 quad per base, and then wrap them with the 4 260s, and that's it. All right, so let me get ready to show you guys how to paint. Take the 2 duplets, turn them into a quad. Then you've got the 4 balloons. Take your round quad, wrap it around the base of your column. Twist and lock and press down. Then you want to take your 260 quad and put it under the rounds. And you want to make sure that each 260 is in between 2 of the rounds so that you are able to pull them up. What I'm going to do for this one, because I want it to be tight, is I'm going to wrap them one by one. So just grab one of them and you just wrap it around. It doesn't have to be light, it doesn't have to be tight. Just simply wrap it around, and I'm gonna hold it in place by just letting it sit there, and it's gonna stay. Then you take the next one, do the same thing, wrap, and let it stay. And you can also just lock it off and secure it like so. And that way it doesn't go anywhere. Take the third one, wrap it, do the same. And then take the 4th one and then wrap it. You just want to make sure that they're tightly wrapped, and then tighten them off just like that. And then once you tighten them, then these access pieces that are here, you want to cut them off. So now you just stretch the 260, place it into the desired spot, pull it through to give it some stretch, and then just wrap it around the nearest balloon, let go, turn it to the front. Let's move over to the other one. Put it stretched, put it into the desired location. Turn it to the front. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed what I had for you today. If you would like to see more, please comment below and let me know what you would like to see. Please also head over to Instagram and check me out.